Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I look like a hot mess. Like, my hair, my pajamas, but who cares? Me, I care. Anyways, today we're going to be making clear slime, as you can tell. So the ingredients you'll need is obviously some clear glue. I prefer Elmer's. You can use other, but I really prefer Elmer's. Then you can use, you don't need this, but it just kind of makes it stretchier. And then activator, which is 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of hot water. And then mix that borax in for it to dissolve. And then glitter is optional. I'm using some like holographic iridescence, I think that's what it's called. I don't know. Yeah, of course you're gonna need, well, since this is not the no materials challenge, so I'm gonna use a spoon and a bowl. So let's get into the video. I don't know what that was for. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna pour the glue. Ew, who farted? Okay. I think that's all I'm gonna use. Because if this is a fail, I mean, I'll just get some more, but like, I don't want it to be a fail, but you can hardly even tell it's even in there because it's clear. So the second thing I'm gonna be adding is some soap. It's pink, but it won't dye pink, so that's why I like to use this for clear slime instead of lotion. Okay, so I did 3 pumps of that, and don't mix it straight away. I was about to, as you can tell, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the activator. I did like a bit more than you would usually do for white slime, but what you're gonna have to do for clear slime is mix it very slowly, because if you mix it too fast, there will be bubbles. When you mix it slowly, there will still be some bubbles, but not as much. And it's just easier, and it won't take as long for it to clear up, because you're probably going to need to still wait some days or 2. Yeah, depending on how much you're doing, you have to wait a certain amount, but for this, you have to you have to wait about like a day and a half. Whoa. 2 days for like clear, like crystal clear, but pretty clear for a day and a half. A day and a half for pretty clear. That makes more sense. Okay. So it's still like, some parts are like chunky-ish. I'm just going in with one hand and just mixing it slowly. It's like, you guys can mix like like fast as normal, but it will probably just, you'll probably have to do like 3 or 4 days and without playing with it to make it that clear, like super clear, as crystal clear. Usually when I make clear slime, it's always way too overactivated, but just this today, it feels a little bit less activated because, like, I don't know, but because I didn't add enough maybe, but that's good because I always fail clear slime. Like, I have like 4 clear slimes, like, that's it. Okay, some people might think that's a lot, but like, it's not a lot. Probably don't even have 4. Probably attempted 4 and like failed 4. No, but I'm just not a big fan of clear slime. I love it when it's like good clear slime, but when it's just like, I love thick clear slime. This, as you can tell, I think you could tell, is starting to get some bubbles, like a lot, but that's okay because I'll have to wait anyways. I'm just trying to not make it overactivated. I'm just gonna put this clump on. There's a whole bunch left that's still not ready. Like, none of it's ready actually, but to play with if your hands are clean. So I'm just gonna add I just added a little bit of activator. Yeah. It's like really weird. Okay, I just added a little bit more. But I feel like I might have just added a bit too much. But also I have a whole bunch of glue left. That's not like slime yet, so. Sorry if you hear like background noises, but I will be back when this is like actual good. Actually, wait a minute. So let me finish getting this activator. This is why I don't go in with 2 hands. Super bubbly. That's not clear slime. It looks, on camera, it kind of looks like normal white slime, I think. Okay, not like that, but anyways, I will be back once it is the consistency I enjoy and desire, so yeah.
3 days later.
Okay guys, after all those hard years of work, sweat, and love has gone on into this masterpiece. Okay guys, actually, this is, I just kept kneading and adding a little bit more of this, adding an activator, and I actually got to the consistency I wanted it to be. So now I just got to put in a container with the lid, let it sit for about 2 days because it actually got quite bubbly, like as you guys can tell. So I'll show you the container I'll be using. Okay, so I'm going to be using this container. It looks big, but it's actually best for having a big container for it to clear out so that the bubbles can go in the air. I don't know. It's just best apparently. So just going to flatten it out, pop all the bubbles that I can, and let it secure with the cap for 2 days. So I'll see you then. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. There's the slime. You don't need Goldleaf, but I chose it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and yeah. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.